Hey family, if you'd like to see how we made this delicious meal, keep on watching. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making bulla beef with white rice. And these are the ingredients that you're going to need. The first thing you're going to need is an onion, a tomato, green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper, and again, you don't have to use all three, but you know, we like it colorful. Yes. Yeah. And then we have a plantain, you know how we love our plantain. And then we have a corned beef. You can use any brand, it doesn't matter, whichever one you like. We like this one. And then we like to use coconut oil to saute the vegetable. And then we have Everglades, Old Bay, and black pepper. That's what we're going to use in the bulla beef with white rice. Stay tuned. Okay, family. So right here, my husband is going to be cutting up all of the vegetables. Onions, the green pepper, the yellow pepper, the red pepper, and some tomatoes. And some tomatoes. Okay, and so he's going to cut everything up and put it in the pot with the coconut oil. Okay, family. So as you can see, my husband is using coconut oil. If I had to say I would say about a half a cup of oil, of the coconut oil. Now, this is coconut oil and it's very good for you. It's not like, regular oil. So it's something that is good for you. And it really does give the food a great flavor without taking away from the flavor of the food. So now what my husband is doing is he's opening up the can of bulla beef, and this is how you open it up. There is a key that comes with it, and you're supposed to slide the tab inside the key and you twist it just like how my husband is doing it, and then you just knock it out and the bulla beef comes right out. Simple. So what you want to do is you do want to pour the vegetable inside the coconut oil, and you want to saute it about maybe 10 minutes on low, so that the flavors can develop. And you do want the vegetable to be nice and tender, so it can give flavor to the coconut oil as well. Okay, so now that the vegetable have been cooked down and nice and tender, you want to put your bulla beef in the same pot, of course, and you do want to use something to smash it to get it nice and loose so that it can absorb the coconut oil and so that it can, mix very well with the vegetable. Now, this is the point where you're going to season it with the Everglades, with the black pepper, and also with the Old Bay. And as you can see in the other pot, we do have some plantains that we're frying. And then once you season that all, you're just going to go ahead and, mix it up so that everything can be well combined. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Bye.